Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to find the display. Now let's tap on wallpaper, and as you can see right here we've got three different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, from Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or defaultly installed wallpapers, and I will pick this option. As you can see here you've got also your photos, so you do not have to get back to the previous step if you've changed your mind. And here, as you can see, we've got some options which are defaultly installed on this device, and if you'd like to check the preview of it, so if you want to appear it on the full screen, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. And if you decide that you want to set this wallpaper, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now let's go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.